lovely sleep, wasn't it, girls? No, it was not. I had bugs in my hair. Okay, that was fun! Are you kidding me, Chelsea? I'm kidding. I got cookies and ice cream in my hair. Can you try to... No, you didn't. Yes, I did. Girls, stop fighting. Okay, Barbie. But she started it. No, you did. Stop fighting. Or I'm going to call Ken and he's going to get you too. Oh, sorry.
No, they only get people.
That was kind of fun. But me and Noah are having a report on my dad and girl. I forgot to put my hair.
Here, you want some Gatorade?
Sure.
Some Gatorade?
Hey. I forgot to. I was too tired. What are we having for breakfast? Muffins.
Gatorade?
That's good.
Yes.
Nom nom nom. Stacy,
Honey, you want
ate
any
all the
Gatorade?
muffins.
You want Gatorade, sweet pea?
No, thank you.
You have to like,
Well,
go, like
at least we still have some juice left.
like on your teeth.
Stacy.
When you get that thing off your mouth.
What? What did I do? You ate all the muffins.
Yeah.
The game's on. Hey,
Y'all
those are my
y'all
favorite
battle.
kind.
I'm gonna take
Barbie,
a
make
little
some
time out.
more. Me and Grandpa. Yes, okay.
Playing the game.
More.
Alright. I'm gonna take a little time out. You and Noah can go battle.
Here you go, Skipper. Thanks.
Where's that other little
Here
boy
you go,
that was
Barbie.
fighting?
And no for you, Stacy. You ate all the 3 batches. Grandpa, can you play with us after we make that? Sorry, I just love muffins. Disco dance party.
When you drink it, you glow, so you have to go on your tippy toes.
You got enough guns in there? Pants gonna fall down. You got so many guns.
Look.
Holy smokes!
Ah,
Let me take a picture of you guys with all your weapons.
thanks for watching.
Okay.